Okay, the Radome is clear. How are the windows looking? Still some ice on the lower pane, almost done. Scanner's read positive. All right, confirmed identity. The perimeter is marked.
Checking the engine cowling now.
Status report, everyone. Site is secure and documented.
Ready to proceed to phase 2.
The discovery is complete. Mark the perimeter.
Looks good. Let's move to phase 2.
All right, everything is documented.
Bring it up 10 degrees. Copy that, coming up slowly.
Maintain current depth. We are seeing structural integrity holding at the tail section.
Acknowledged. Proceeding with caution.
Keep clearing. Shovel here. Shovel here. Watch that panel. Slings secure. Check the bolts. Ready to hook up. All right, secure the chains around the fuselage now. Copy. Chains are engaging. Check the tail stabilizer braces. Tighten them down. Affirmative. Tail braces are secure. Final checks. Slowly, slowly. Alignment check. Main gear locked. Chains secure. Nose gear good. Complete. Okay, slowly now. Keep it steady.
Lift up.
Watch that wing. Stop. All right, hold it there. Good.
Chocks in position.
Set the stands.
Secure the wing supports.
Ready the crane.
Operation green.
The engine cowling shows severe pitting.
Confirmed on the thermal scan.
Let's document the wing's leading edge next.
Keep it steady. Watch the pressure. Moving to the landing gear, clear the area. We're clear on the tail section.
Engaging the hydraulics. Take the tension. Clear of the pylon. Slow lift, steady. Guides are ready. Bringing it down. Secure the engine on rack 3. Checking the radar dome stability.
Ready for labeling here. Verified.
Looks good. Engaging lift, slow, steady. Clear on the port side. Lifting confirmed, maintain tension. Initiating descent towards the stand. Guide it slowly. Position looks good.
The scan confirms delamination around the stringer 54.
We'll need to expand the boundary layer measurement before marking for replacement. Alignment on station 420 is within tolerance now.
Good. Let's run the post-weld inspection sequence.
The alignment on section 4 looks good. We can proceed.
Confirmed. Laser scan shows 0 deviation.
We need to double-check the alignment on section 4. The rivets look flush on this panel. Okay, let's prep the next section towards the tail.
Hold it right there. Engaging the lock. Confirmed. Stand is secure. Keep it steady now. Watch the clearance on the right. All right, we're aligned. Lock in the stands. Confirmed secure. Torque is good.
I'm seeing some erosion on the leading edge here. Confirmed. The probe shows it's still within tolerance, though.
The casing is aligned. Bring the pneumatic driver over. Roger that. Securing the outer ring now.
Laser scan complete.
Confirmed. We have a green light on phase 6 calibration.
That's a wrap on Phase 6, gentlemen. They passed the final inspection, and we are clear for integration. Torque on coupling secured.
Finalizing data input. We are green for ignition sequence.
All sensors reading green. Confirming synchronization. Stands are clear, ready for spin-up.
All systems check complete on Bay 1.
Confirmed. Moving to internal power sequence.
Secure the main harness at Station 4. Copy that. Routing the yellow bundle now. All systems nominal. Power levels stable across the board. Confirmed. We have full green on the diagnostics panel.
Alignment check complete. All panels within tolerance. Copy that.
Finalizing torque checks on the starboard side. Taxi sequence complete. Brake pressure holding steady. Steering response is nominal. Verification successful.